My name is Chris Villarreal. I'm the district manager for Half Price Auto Repair. We provide automotive repair services to the motoring public here in the Phoenix metro area. Our entire business is predicated on the idea that we're going to save people money when it comes to car repair, and that's kind of what we also want to position ourselves as an expert in the field and one who's going to save you money.
How is BizIQ helping your business succeed?
Well, the big thing is kind of helping us with the influx of our reviews is really the big thing. You've got a situation where we get a lot of good positive reviews that they help us with. Also, kind of point out any negative ones that we need to address. Kind of helping us kind of craft the narrative as to who we are, with the public, and that's been huge for us. And we've grown exponentially since we started working with them. So we do kind of monthly blog entries and things, and that's kind of what we're trying to put out content so that people find us, look at us as experts in the field, and we just kind of show our colors. And it's really worked for us. And so I think we've been getting just continually better every day. So BizIQ's obviously helped us reach out to customers by helping us host our website, also helping us with Google reviews, allowing it, making it easy so that we can kind of track, our business progress. And kind of crazy how much data you get out of the dashboard. And that gives us, really some insight, it brings it all together. It's almost overwhelming. But, once you start seeing the data for what it is, and you realize that it's saved us so much in terms of marketing. So they've helped us kind of, weaponize our opportunity of doing good in the community, and people are spreading the word because of it. Back in 2017, we started out with just the one location. Now we're 8 strong and looking to add a couple more here in the next couple of months. And we're excited for the future because of it.
What is your relationship like with your account manager?
Well, she's great. She makes it easy. That's the thing about it. Like, a lot of times you start with this is where they're at, and this is where we need to be. And it's about kind of closing the gap. So she does a really good job of understanding kind of our concerns, our issues. These are the problems that we're challenged by. And then she offers solutions that are in line with what you guys do. Gives us great ideas on how we can proceed to the next thing. And it's not just about selling more stuff. It's about giving me the ammunition as to how do we make this better? How do we build a stronger base for our business? And she gave me some really good insight as to what we needed to do, which I appreciate. It's not this could be a very easily a set it and forget it kind of, situation where we just do the website once and we, say nice things on the Google reviews that are positive. But it's more than that. It's giving us insight as to what's really going on and how we can get the business to kind of improve, through understanding what's going on out in the wide world.
Why would you recommend BizIQ to other businesses?
I would definitely recommend BizIQ to any business. There's businesses of all different sizes, but you really do need a partner. The biggest thing for us is that we're okay at this stuff. We're good at using Google, but we're not great at it. And so oftentimes you have to kind of partner up with people who are going to help you meet your goals. We wanted to have a profitable business. That was the initial goal. And then we wanted to grow the business. And so at every step of the way, BizIQ's helped us kind of meet those goals, give us opportunities to kind of evolve in our business, because we're doing things now that we didn't do before. To make that stuff really sing, you need someone who's an expert in the field, and you guys have done a great job for us, and we appreciate everything you guys do.